So namaste everybody. So the today's topic, how to do the Kandasana, also is known as the Asana, also is known as the bulbous pose. So first let's see, and then step by step we will practice that how to improve and how to get this position. So quick have a look it first. So now, so see that practitioner sit into the Titli Asana, then bring the both leg up and then see. So this is the known as the Kandasana. So how to do it? So we will do step by step to warm up and open. The more important in this position of the hips. If your hips is open, flexible and mobility and ankle joint, you can do it. No force upon the knees. So let's start with here, with the Titli Asana here first. So you need to shake here. Hold the thigh, roll. Then also create the mobility of the hips. You can do rotation, go front and then big round. It will help you for mobility of your hips joint. And now anti-clockwise. And then big round, you feel. And now also you can do like, see, while you sitting here, you can hold and grab and look to the front and sound the breathe. And also you can do here and roll. Now again with another leg here. Then grab here, look to the front and hold here. And now swing. Now again, inhale, exhale here. And then same thing you can do, both legs straight here. This is the second practice. You can bend your right here. And then again you hold, look to the front while in and sound the breathe. Inhale. So we are preparing our body for Kandasana, the Asana, the bulbous pose. And then again you can put upon thigh hips joint, exhale here. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, exhale. Also you can do contract your belly in and lean your body forward here. Look to the front and sound breathe. Now deep inhale. And now inhale up and release here. Now again change your left leg here, same. And now hold and grab here. Look to the front and sound breathe. Look to the front and sound breathe. Now deep inhale. And now you can swing. So we are preparing our hips and body for Kandasana, and then you can put inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and shake here. Contract your belly in and then lean your body forward. Hold here, look to the front and sound breathe. Now deep inhale. Inhale up and now release here. So now again let's see the improvement of this position here. So again go up and then now and now see here is fixed and then now and then you can go up, you can go here and then slow release. So now this is known as the Kandasana. So you can do something more. So now let's lie down and let's do the further here. So all these helpful the position here. So now right leg goes up and now bend your right here and now hold here. Look to the front. Look up sky. Breathe here. And now again you rotate. So see you working and moving your hips, ball and socket joint here. Look to the front. Sound breathe here. Now deep inhale. And now again continue, you can move here. And now shake, move. Now, so release. Now change here. Now again. Go to the, is also known as the Supta Hasta Padangushthasana. Hold here. Breathe here. Feel here. Hold here. Now, so you can again rotate upon the chest, hold, look up sky, hold here, breathe and feel, hold, stay, breathe. Now again you can put upon the thigh joints and exhale and create the mobility of your hips joint. And now, take a deep inhale and exhale here. Now, continue with the both leg here, both leg up, and try not to lift your buttocks up here, and then hold here. Look up sky, breathe here, feel here, hold here. And now, feet prayer and then forehead touch here. Breathe here, feel here, hold here. Now again, then you can try here also. And hold here, breathe here. And now, slow, release, leg up and release here. Now, again, let's see the improvement of this position here. So again, go up and then now, and now see here is fixed, and then now. And then you can go up, you can go here and then slow release. So now this is known as the Kandasana. Let's do the another improvement here. So sit down into the Titliyasana and now again hold and shake here. Now again you can do something more, but mind your knees, ankle and finger and knees. If you have injury, so mind it. Hold your feet here. First get ready for Yoni Asana here. Now see here. And now see here. Then again, you can sit into the Yoni Asana here. And then hand here, look to the front. And now release here. Again, let's see the improvement of this position here. So again, go up and then now and now see here is fixed, and then now, and then you can go up, you can go here and then slow release. So now this is known as the Kandasana, and then go front. Hold here. And now release. And now, so continue. You sit down into the lotus pose. Both hands upon the knees. Also you can do into the lotus pose to improve this position. So you can see here, like see, inhale and exhale here. Or I will turn my face this way. You can look here. And now let's change here. And then now again. Now come back. And now. So let's do again here the Kandasana. So hope our body is ready and you can do it now here, see. Now, so see again. And now release. And now you can sit into the Siddhasana, both hands upon the knees, spine is straight, neck. So thanks everybody. So it was about Kandasana or Kundapida asana. So you can keep practicing, but mind your knees, mind your hips, mind your ankle. Important, health is wealth. So continue, keep practicing and work out. So thank you so much.